Hi everyone, today we are doing lesson 7 of module 6, geometry in level E of VMath. So turn to page 31 to follow along and take notes. Our vocabulary for today, we have measure of an angle, and the measure of the angle is the amount of turn between the rays of an angle. So here we have an angle, AOB, and the measure of angle is how far the turn is between these two rays. So this is the measure of the angle. A degree is the unit of measure used to measure an angle. So we talked about a protractor before, and we've talked about degrees already. So that is what we use to measure an angle. All right, so getting started here, if we look at number 1, we look at this angle. And we can see, what kind of an angle is this? Well, it's not a right angle, it's less than. So if an angle is less than a right angle, it is an acute angle. Let's look at number 2. We see a circle, and then we see in blue a dot in the middle. Well, what we call that in a circle is the center. That's the very center or middle of the circle. Next, let's look at number 3. If we look at this first diagram of a circle, we can see that we have a full circle and then a ray pointing up. If this ray goes all the way around and comes back, it travels 360 degrees. So a circle has 360 degrees if you go all the way around. The second part is the measure of an obtuse angle is more or less than an acute angle. It is greater than. So we're going to write greater than. Sorry, that got a little bit messy there. Greater than, because if we are on this other one and we make an obtuse angle, well, we can just draw one that's more than 90, and we can see that that is an obtuse angle on a circle. Number 4, it says the angle is 1/360th of a circle, so it's a fraction. The measure of the angle is 1 degree. So there are 360 degrees in an angle, in a circle, we know that. And then this little piece right here is 1/360th. So this says, the second part here, number 5, the angle is 60 over 360, so 60 360ths of the circle. The measure of the angle is then 60 degrees. Oops. So 60 degrees. Oops. All right, this says, what is the measure of a right angle? A right angle is, we know that it is 90 degrees out of 360. So 90 over 360. So then we do 1/4. And then 1/4 times 90, and 4 times 90 is 360. So then we know it is 90 out of 360. The measure of a right angle is 90 degrees. Number 6, name the measure of each angle. Well, what we learned before is that each degree is 1/360th. So if we have 45 360ths, we know that that is 45 degrees. Number 7, the angle is 120 over 360. So we know that that is 120 degrees. Number 8, the angle is 240 over 360. So the angle is 240 degrees. And then number 9, the angle is 72 over 360, so it is 72 degrees. This says, name the measure of an angle using symbols. The angle is 150 over 360ths of a circle, so it is 150 degrees. There are 360 degrees in a circle. Each degree is the measure of the angle that is 1/360th of a circle. So if it takes up 150 over 360, you know it's 150 degrees. All right, you are going to complete page 33 on your own. Good luck.